Hey everyone, it's Luke from Weldpro, and today I'm here to finally give away this welding cart. I woke up this morning and noticed we were at 1,000 subscribers, so I am excited. I've gone ahead and copied my subscriber list from my YouTube channel and put it into a random name chooser. We're going to let the random name chooser pick the winner of this contest. Alright, I got my list of 1,000 names and I'm going to go ahead and pick a random name. The winner is Adam Fritz. Adam, we're going to be reaching out to you and sending you a message letting you know you've won. Congratulations on your brand new weld cart. We'll get that sent out right away. And if you didn't win, don't worry. We still have the 2,000 subscriber contest going on where we're giving away a MiG 155. If you're already one of the first 1,000 subscribers on our channel, you'll automatically be entered for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So how can you help get to 2,000 subscribers as quickly as possible? Like and share this video, particularly with anyone you know that likes welding. We've got lots of great content and giveaways on the way, so you won't want to miss an episode. From all of us here at Weldpro, thanks for tuning in. Thanks to you all for subscribing, and we look forward to giving away this MiG 155 at 2,000 subscribers.